B-I-N-G-O, and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O, hey, 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 Bingo, come on, Bingo, Bingo was his name. Bingo, breathe. Oh, sorry, Z. Hey, Riley, you made it right in. We're about to get our baby girl.
We're getting a puppy!
We're
getting Dixie!
We're not getting a puppy. This one keeps saying, I'm so excited for a puppy. It's not a puppy, it's not just any puppy, it's our puppy Dixie, alright? That's who we love, that's who we're getting. We don't want anyone else, alright?
Sorry.
Anyways, we're on our way to get her right now. It's been a long time coming.
Our little Dixie girl, we're coming for you. 10 to 15 years of our life is going to be spent with this dog. I told Stevie that this is our last.
Mandy's always going to be my girl too, but this is my daughter. Mandy's my sister. This is my daughter.
On our way out here, we were talking about how this is our last 10 minutes as a family of 2.
It's true.
Stop it! I'm not pregnant, it's just Chipotle.
Oh my gosh. Alright. We're coming for you, Dixie. Love you. See?
I think the nickname Dix is cute.
No, that's cute in the right context. You have to be careful with the way you say it.
Dixie Twixie! Dixie Doo!
Dixie Doodle.
Dixie Doodle.
Dixie Doo, double D.
Or just D, you can call her D.
O-D. Remember that I said? O-D. You remember that in The Office? Well, not your fan, not your fan.
Oh, right. From The Office, I was like, what is that from?
You don't remember, do you?
Mm-mm.
You don't, I'll tell you after. Alright, we love you, Dixie.
Mom and Dad are coming!
We're coming!
Back here on Stevie's Home Videos, I want to introduce you to the newest member of the Fernando family. Dixie! Hi, Dixie Doo. Hi, Dixie. You good?
Hi, baby.
You good, sweet nugget. You're just a little nugget, huh? Say hi. Say hi.
Yo, girl.
Aw, Dixie.
She's literally the cutest thing.
I love her with all my heart. How do you feel, Dad?
I love her so much.
Wait, she wants to be on camera. She wants to be on camera.
Look, she opened your phone.
She wants to be on
camera. Wait, she posted in your story?
Wait, no.
Oh. She likes the camera.
She likes the camera. Hi, Dix. Hi, Dixie. Oh, she's slipping. That's enough.
That's close enough for now.
It's okay. It's okay. You're still my child.
Aww. The hair kills me. Hi, Dick.
Yeah, when he gets excited or like sees something in the backyard, like his tail. See how poofy his tail gets?
Mm-hmm.
We always go poofy tail. Oh my gosh, I can't with her. She's
like
so
cute. It's a tired girl.
Her hair color is perfect. It's one of those little wall units. You can control it with your phone and stuff. Oh my gosh.
She's been pretty mellow.
He's like literally sneaky.
Basil, come here.
Basil, come here.
Come see your cousin.
Say hi, Auntie Chelsea.
Oh my god.
Hi, Auntie Chelsea.
She smells like puppy.
I know.
She got
Hi,
puppy breath.
Auntie Chelsea.
It's okay,
she's
Basil.
so
Look at him.
She's tired.
His hair is like sticking straight up. Just stay like really still. And
Yeah,
come
don't
over.
worry.
Come here, Basil. It's okay.
Look at the hair on the back of his
Yeah, that's
It's
a
okay,
lot.
Basil.
I never
Hi,
seen cats' hair
babes.
stick up like that.
Come here, buddy. That's like their defense
when
mechanism
they
to
get-
seem big.
Hi, Basil. It's just a puppy, babes. We told Dixie all about you. It's your cousin Dixie.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, come say hi.
When we got here, I said, all right, Dixie, now we're going to go meet our cousin Basil. Now, cousin Basil looks a little different, but that's okay. We love him too. Look at her. She loves you. Look at Basil back here.
It's okay.
Hi,
Come here,
babes.
babes.
She's like got that dead stare on you.
Come here, Basil.
Hi,
It's okay,
Basie.
buddy.
You can see her undercoat a little bit.
Yeah. She's gonna bite your hair.
Oh. Is she even real?
I know.
Are you even real?
How crazy is it that we have a freaking dog?
Oh, you're so cute. You're gonna have the best family ever. Oh. Oh my god.
Dixie! Oh my gosh, this background is so cute. With like the little leaves. Dixie! Dixie!
Sit down. Sit down.
Sit, babies!
Sit.
Dixie! Oh my gosh!
Hopefully I wasn't in it.
Oh no, you're good. You're good, Jax.
Here,
Come on,
roll
come
over there. I'm gonna do a slow-mo video.
Okay. Dixie, you're good! Dixie! Right here, right here. Ready? 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 Come on! Dixie, you gotta go faster than that, Mama!
Okay, one more time. Be like that.
Okay, ready? So I gotta go over here for it and then call it. Dixie! Dixie! Dixie!
Dixie, come here. Come here, Dixie. Come here.
You cute, Mama.
Tell me that's not the cutest thing ever.
My gosh.
Oh my gosh, can you send that to us?
Yeah, of course.
That's so cute. You know what we need to make? That's just my baby dog.
Oh,
That's just my
yeah.
baby dog.
Totally.
That's just my baby dog. Come on. Hey, come on, Dixie.
Does she play fetch or anything?
I don't know.
I don't
We
know.
got her for 2 hours.
We could find out.
Come here.
Oh, the ear. The ear.
Dixie.
Oh my gosh.
I'm trying to like make it
know.
so she's
It's like when you
on
make a toddler
Okay,
pose
ready?
for pictures.
Yeah, ready? I took so many. Dixie, you're so cute.
Okay, ready?
Hey, Dixie. Dixie!
Too many things.
Oh, too many things. Too many things. Too many things. Look at her legs.
Oh my gosh. I die. Angel's gonna freak out.
Yeah.
I can only imagine.
Oh, yeah, she is. Oh, yay!
Here she goes.
Here she goes. Come on, Dixie. Come on.
Hi! Hi, Fluff! Hi, Fluff! Come on, come on! Come on! Come on! What are you doing? What are you doing?
What's this? Do some videos. Do some videos. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
I died.
I'm so
There's nothing
happy.
cuter than like the slow-mo pictures of Puppy running in the grass.
I know.
Good job. Good job, Dixie. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Come on, come Come here. Cute. Gotta get your energy out, mamas.
If you guys ever want a place to come to just like let her run around until she gets her shots, you're always welcome.
I know, this is a lot of space
Yeah,
for
'cause
her.
we don't have
to-
dogs.
Yeah, we don't have any of them. Good job.
Good job, Basil.
babe.
Such a good cat. Come here, Dixie. Come here. It's okay. Yeah, see, you're a good job.
Can you just wait 1 second?
We're late.
We just like wanted to show you the newest member of our family.
Got a dog.
What?
Oh my
What's her name? Her name is Dixie.
Dixie. Hi, Dixie.
She's
She's a golden doodle.
She's not gonna shed.
Where did you get her?
Okay, so
We got her with a family.
they're not breeders. They have a family dog that had puppies.
And they wanted to have their kids, they have 5 kids, and they are all doing distance learning, and the mom said they're having kind of a hard time with it, so they wanted to give them a project
To like take care
to
of.
like kind of...
They're a really sweet family.
Okay, we have to go.
All right.
Do not leave.
Okay, but we can't go inside because she can't be around other dogs.
Around other dogs right now.
Our dogs have all their shots.
She doesn't though.
She's fine.
We also have to make other stops.
We haven't told
That's why
anyone.
we didn't know you had your things today.
I know, I'm so sad.
Stay.
Okay, we'll stay. Love you. Oh, they don't have a peephole.
You stupid cup. You stupid aunties. They're crazy.
Oh, you mean the dogs?
The dogs.
I thought-
Auntie's and uncle. Oh man. Here we go.
I'm like shaking. That was like so rushed.
I don't know. Did you get a good reaction from it?
No. Is this your dog?
She's doing the sweetest thing.
Come on in. Oh my God.
Look at these ones.
Outside. Let me put them outside. Come on, baby.
So Steve and Teresa don't know yet either.
Yeah, no.
And we're gonna go to the JC Dawson's next and then hit them on our way home. We called my mom.
Nana's
and
first
she's a
great
golden-
grandchild.
She's a golden doodle, so she's gonna get big. She'll probably be like Mandy size, full grown.
Oh wow.
And she's 75% poodle, 25% golden retriever.
Her name's Dixie
and her name's
Marie.
Dixie Marie.
Well, don't get too excited. She's just trying to pacify.
I know, she
so
wants
that
to
when
name
she has her
she wants to name the
daughter.
puppy Marie so she can't name the
Cute
daughter
she
Marie.
is right now. Look at how cute she is.
She just is
she's
playing
so
with her.
adorable.
And she's hypoallergenic, so she won't
She's not gonna
shed
shut it all.
at all. And the way that we got her was I actually found her on Craigslist. But what I was saying is that it's not like, because these are like dogs that are bred. Like you can't really find them if they're not bred.
They're not naturally. They're
Yeah.
a mix of
And
two.
the little white paw, I know. And I found her on Craigslist. She was the last of her litter because her nose is kind of, you look at her nose, she has like some red in it. And when she was a puppy, it was like really prominent, and I think that's why people didn't want her.
But I think it's super cute.
I think she's
They want you
perfect.
because of that.
So she was the last of the litter, and then we went on
No, because they're
election.
going to breed. They're probably going to breed, and they want the perfect
Oh, the
Anyways,
other. Yeah,
markings.
That's true.
Maybe, I don't know.
maybe. But we went on election day, and we met her for the first time. I'll show you pictures. She was 16 days old. She was tiny.
So we had to keep the secret for a month from you guys.
I know.
Who knows? You what?
Chelsea came with us.
Chelsea came with us.
Chelsea came with us to
so
see
she
her.
Knew.
Frankie knew.
Frankie knows because we told him a couple weeks later.
So
Jason and Amanda know because we didn't know with the baby if we'd be able to see them.
What do you mean?
like, cause
Like-
we wanted to we're gonna take her over to everyone's house right now, and we're not gonna stop by their house because like
Oh
with the baby.
my
and
God.
She's tiny. And then look at her and Stevie. This is when we first met her. She's tiny.
Blow it up. Oh my
See, look at her nose. It's kind of like pink around the
Her
edges.
nose is beautiful.
I
It's
know.
the
Look at-
perfect nose. Hi, baby girl.
Um,
Hi, baby girl.
But anyway, so we met the.
Look how feminine she is. Look at her
Yeah,
paws.
she's so
She's
dainty.
very feminine.
She has this like weird thing right here that.
I don't know what that is.
It's dirt. I've been picking
It's
poop.
dirt,
this is
but
dirt, yeah.
Or poop.
no, she said she was running in the mud, so it's dirt. Anyway, so the mom of it was like a really nice family.
Man. Yeah. What's this guy doing home? Nicely playing hooky?
Why are you filming?
Yeah, what are you doing here, right? See some video.
I'm back.
Wait, you left work early?
I don't work today.
Oh, you did? You get days off now?
Or I like requested it off.
Oh, nice. I don't know if anyone's home because
Well, I am now.
Cliff's here.
Riley, stop.
You just chuck it.
Is this yours?
This is our girl.
Wait, what happened to Corgi?
No, we're not getting Corgi anymore. This is a golden
It's a
doodle.
golden doodle.
But she's not gonna shed.
Look at his face.
Her name's Dixie.
Little Dixie.
Literally
You can-
shaking.
You can hold it.
Do you know if Jess is here?
I don't think she does anymore.
It's true.
Can I hold?
We're
Yeah.
taking her around to
No,
like
wait,
all
we want to
everyone's
surprise
house.
Jess too, and then
Angel's not here though.
Riley, stop it.
So we bought her a month ago, but we
I
couldn't.
literally saw you coming down the street, and I was like, John's here, John's here, so I ran to the other side.
That's why I saw it. You like
Oh, you
kind of
saw?
went. I saw your car and
That's
I
why I
thought,
asked you yesterday
I
if
thought
you guys could
maybe
get a
Angel, like you and Angel carpooled
Went somewhere? Yeah.
I feel like Jessica already saw it through the window.
Is she in there?
They're probably upstairs.
Yeah. We want to be careful with like other dogs and stuff.
Oh yeah, because Riley's over there.
But you
She's
should.
in the back there.
Yeah, that's fine. I probably just won't set her down.
That was the nice new
She was there.
No, she's not downstairs. They're upstairs.
Hide her from the camera.
From the what?
Jess?
Are you home?
Are you?
Wait, what are these cookies?
Sorry, he woke up, so I had to run up.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
So-
Is he here?
What's up, Jess?
Stevie, now you're here.
I was like, wait, who is that? Is that Leo?
This is our puppy. This is our puppy.
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Zizi, look, this is your cousin Dixie.
What? Did you get a puppy?
Yep.
Look at me. Hi,
That's Zizi, it's your cousin.
What? Tell me the story. What happened?
We just surprised
Wait, guys, congratulations.
We bought her a month ago. We've had her for a month.
No, we
Not,
haven't.
no, we haven't had her. But we bought her a month ago.
ago.
But she had to stay with the mom for 8 weeks.
She's a golden doodle.
Wait, so literally when we were talking about the other dog, you already had?
Yeah. Well, we
Or you just?
picked her up today.
No, but like you knew.
Yeah, we already visited her and stuff.
We just don't want her to go down because of Riley.
Yeah.
Like we don't. She hasn't had all her shots.
Is Riley out?
She's in the backyard.
She's outside.
Is Chuck in?
Look at these.
He's in a meeting. Wait, what's your name? Dixie.
Dixie Marie.
She's so cute.
She's such a good girl too. She hasn't really cried or anything.
Look at the puppy.
We were like
Forgot.
Z and Dixie content
Your
is gonna
hair
be so
looks
cute.
so good.
Okay, wait, can you? I won't send it to anyone.
I'm
Can
like
you-
literally
Can you
shaking.
hold?
Yeah,
hold them
we
like.
Guys,
literally-
I literally thought you were holding a beanie baby.
Hold them close. Can you hold them?
Literally, we're taking her around to everyone's house
Yeah.
right now.
You wanna go outside?
Sure.
Yeah, let's go outside.
What if Angel pulls up?
Don't get me in it though.
Well, you know how you did the.
Okay, ready, baby?
Hold it out more.
1, 2,
Just.
3.
Alright, yeah, just put them out more.
Oh, cousin Z! Look at the puppy.
They're literally like the same size.
Look at the puppy.
It's your cousin, Z.
Say hi, cousin Z. Say hi. He's like more interested in the tree.
I know. He still loves the trees.
Can you say hi to the puppy? Pet her?
Babe, I think she might need a piece. Like, let's set her down on the grass.
I'm like shaking. I'm gonna.
So
Yeah, I forgot what that was like.
Oh, well, she drank. We just went to Leals and Keeks,
I'm scared Riley's
and
gonna attack her.
Nona,
if we-
and she drank some things, and
Yeah, I
then she
wouldn't put her-
hasn't
put her
peed.
on.
So I feel like
Dixie,
she
come on.
needs to pee.
Come,
But
please.
we went to Chelsea's, and she peed at Chelsea's. Like
She
in
was
the
running
grass.
around with us earlier.
Your hair looks amazing.
Thank you.
All she wants to talk about is the hair.
It's not true. He said that Leals and Keeks were like, right as we were leaving, they go, "Is your hair darker?" And I was like, "Yeah, I got it done today. Big day for us."
I have a nice haircut too. And comb.
Come on. You're so chill, Dix.
That's how he's not getting on.
Hi, Zizi.
Easy.
And
Tony,
so
look at
we-
his dry skin.
Hey, eczema buddies. Mine's so bad.
So I was hiding behind the car, and then I just happened to look back, and I saw John's car come around the corner, and I was like, "See, John's here, John's here!" So I ran to this side.
No wonder you're shaking.
I didn't
I was,
expect
like,
you to be
Is that
growing up
why
right
you,
now.
is that what you wanted to know for
Yeah.
home? Well, I'm here.
Because we thought we were gonna come later. We thought.
It's a Christmas puppy.
I know. We're gonna take some Christmas.
Yeah,
we're
so you don't
gonna
want to
finish-
watch it.
Huh? No, I still don't
Hi,
want to.
Zizi.
It'd probably have to be at your place,
So
though. huh?
chill. Do you want to see the Who is she at Bad Coffee with?
Clark.
Maybe. She was at
He's looking. He's not amused.
And this is the year of
Everyone ignored me.
the
I'll
year
text her.
2020, the year of new
New babies.
new additions. I should add the dogs to the.
She's a quarantine puppy.
too.
Should add
Did you
dogs
see
to
her one
the
white
chart
paw,
family
and then
tree.
like this one's
I
kind
know,
of
you gotta add the dog.
in
Just
white.
like Riley's one white paw.
I just want to show you my hair.
I got it.
No, it's okay.
I don't think he's gonna.
Let me do it.
But I'm gonna have to flip this
So,
to show her, so you won't be able to see his face.
you can just turn him.
Yeah, just use your front camera.
Just use the front camera. He's not gonna answer.
I
you.
don't think he's gonna answer. Let's see where he's at.
Our own son doesn't answer.
Came to your house to hang out.
My house?
Yeah, we came because we wanted to hang out with you.
Yeah, right.
Wait, let me see your full face. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. I'm eating.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, we came to your house because we really wanted to show you the newest member of our family.
No way.
Wait, can I see?
Lauren.
Is that a golden doodle?
Yeah, it's a golden.
doodle baby!
Your hair looks amazing.
Hey, thanks!
Comments on the hair second.
I just got it done, and I got a dog today. Big day.
Wow, I'm
Is
so
that a golden
jealous.
doodle?
She's literally like
Wait, is it
adorable.
is it a he or a she?
It's a she. Her name is Dixie.
Wow,
Yeah.
so cute.
Okay, bring it up close. Bring it up close. Say hi, Uncle Josh.
Hi, Aunt Auntie Lo. Hi.
Cute.
Where'd you guys get her?
We got her from a random family off of Craigslist, but we actually bought her like a month ago, and we just picked her up. We just picked her up today, and we surprised everyone.
Secrets?
Yeah, Jessica walked down the hall, or like down the stairs, and she was holding Z, and I was holding Dixie, and she literally stops and she goes, "Is that real?" Like she thought it was like a stuffed animal.
She does look like that.
She's so cute. She's 8 weeks old, and she's gonna get huge, like Riley status.
Yeah.
And we
Sure.
love her.
Riley's been outside, poor thing, like all the whole time.
Well,
That's
he
insane.
was like not.
So don't tell anyone though, because we still haven't shown your mom or Angel,
Okay.
Or my parents. So
or his parents.
don't post anything, but not that you would. But
Angel doesn't know yet?
yeah, screenshots.
No, we're gonna go. Actually, Cucka Girl, I was trying to get her to come home, and she's like, "I want to go see baby Luca."
Hey, Luca's
Oh,
special.
what an idiot.
Luca's really cool.
True. True. Wait, when was he born? Oh yeah, he was born after. Aw, Dixie, you're not the
Wait,
youngest.
he was, huh?
Dixie's right in between them.
Aw.
Wait, that's crazy.
Yeah, like he's older, or she's older.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's older than
Just a
Luca.
cutie girl.
She's so cute.
She's sleeping right now. She was really active earlier. She was like running around and
She
stuff.
has one white paw.
They were not there.
I know, probably they're just like,
You guys can come over and meet her at our house.
If we know the date she was born.
Our apartment too.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, look at babe.
look at Josh.
Like the old school office
I love her. Anyway, we just wanted to introduce you guys, and we got your reaction on camera.
Oh, really? But I want to get like that.
I'm shocked.
She's so soft and fluffers.
Hello.
You're shaking. Are you scared?
She's shaking.
Just like a puppy.
See. She's got a little belly. Little chunk of
Oh my gosh, she's never gonna be this small.
I know, that's what I said. Like, we need to cherish it because you are so quick. She's already like.
Well, even when
Riley like her mother.
I feel like Riley was so much smaller.
Yeah.
8 weeks.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, you got her 6 weeks? I thought they had to be with the mom for 8 weeks. Oh, she was?
Also, she's not as.
But
she wasn't as fluffy as.
you also have to remember every breed.
She's like fluffy.
I feel like every breed grows differently too because like she's might get a little bigger than Riley. Because they get pretty big, the golden doodles.
That's so funny. I love stuff in their hair because like literally I was distracted.
She's literally like. I think she's cute. We knew she was gonna be cute, but like she's even cuter in person than she was in cute. She's like super chill. She hasn't like cried or anything.
Was she the one that was well behaved, or she was like?
She was like in all the videos. She was like hyper, but then today she's been like. pretty-
Watch, you're gonna wake him in the middle of the
Yeah.
night.
Yeah, you I don't
We
say
don't want her
yes.
to be around her because
Dixie.
She was actually running around for a little bit earlier. And now she's,
What?
yeah,
What's going on?
she's here to see her cousin
Did you guys
Luca.
know? Did they know? They knew.
They knew. We
Just
told
because we
them.
didn't know with Luca if we'd be able to
Yeah.
like, see them, but it worked out.
Wait,
Hi, I'm Allie.
It's a girl,
Nice to
Dixie.
introduce my husband,
I didn't hear the
Stevie.
name.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Seen you guys all over Instagram.
Oh.
Auntie Angel.
I just love that she's not gonna shed. That's like
Her name's
the best
Dixie.
thing.
Dixie Marie.
Did you guys name?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I feel like I don't know you guys. I know. What the heck? It's been like
we went all
literally.
over town today.
It's been the hardest kept secret of my life.
You didn't tell anyone?
We told,
so then
the only person who knew
Frankie-
was Chelsea because
Chelsea
she was
came with
with
us-
us the day we went and
Chelsea
saw
came
her.
with us today. To,
Like we didn't think we were gonna get her, and she just happened to be with us, and then yeah, we went and saw her.
Wait, what?
And then after we saw her, we
Yeah.
realized we were gonna get
One?
we were gonna
Is
get
that
her.
what
We
you're
wanted it
Yeah,
to be
it's
a
up on my
secret
shop.
so we could like.
There's a whole collection.
have
Where'd
that.
you guys go?
Yeah.
I want that one.
So she's been with her
Grab it.
mom
I can
in
do-
Fontana.
They're all in gray, but if you want a different color, I can make it a different color.
We went to Chelsea's house so she could see her. We went to Lil Keeks and Nana. They
She's
were
so
so
chilly.
guys shocked. Yeah. Steve and Teresa still don't know.
We're
Your
taking
mom
her over there
doesn't
now.
know.
How are you
We
gonna
took
show
her-
them?
We're just gonna
We're
stand
gonna-
far away. That's the thing that
yeah.
sucks. Like they're not gonna be able to see her
They
really
can't
well.
hold her,
But
but
she can't hold.
No, we don't want to risk it
I
right
wanted
now.
to get.
But at least she can steer, and then we'll FaceTime him after.
So we've been getting like all the puppy stuff.
This is the perfect color.
I told you to stay here. Yeah.
Justin-
Oh, and then John
So
showed
John
up.
pulled up right when we were outside, and then she like hid behind the car because we were outside, and we didn't expect him to come
I
home.
think you meant accents.
Wait,
Yeah,
let's
we-
So John and
I
Justin.
hope I-
The white and black.
She's a Christmas
You
puppy.
get me?
To get this like ribbon.
That's pretty chill though, right?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna forget me.
Well, it's like weird because
Wait, were you
the
filming
baby,
this
so I don't want to scream.
I didn't help her this year.
Really?
He's so cute.
That great?
Hey, you want a picture? I haven't even gotten like a good picture of her yet.
Oh, okay, that's the claws. That's the claws. That's the claws.
Santa Claus.
God, I haven't even seen
Maybe we're grown up too.
She's so cute.
She's cute.
Aww.
We're not trying to steal Lucas' thunder though.
No.
That's like
Seriously. Please don't.
Yeah.
Do love a good
It's
pastel.
like neutrals, but and then neon.
Yeah, because when I was talking to him, he was like,
Yeah, so much more
"You
developed.
need more."
He is.
And then look at his lip. No.
Luscious.
When I was
Jason's like, here's the link. Send it.
when they won, my mom and I were talking to him about the
Those are so
watch
huge.
groups, and he was like, "Yeah, I was just like reaching out to people saying, I want this, I want this, I want this." I like this blanket too.
No, she's like, oh, we're talking about lists.
That's like
I
baby
feel like
Jesus right
explaining. I never did Amazon wish list, but now it's all Laker merch.
Yeah, I think that's gonna look good. Huh?
Hey, appreciate it.
I'm really into lavender these days.
Again, thank you. You can go with mine.
Oh no.
Allie, you're a little cackle.
His lips are like the most luscious things I've ever seen in my entire
I know,
life.
everyone comments on his lips.
Yeah, they're luscious.
They're luscious, and I can't believe how tan he is.
It looks like baby Jesus in this wrap. Right
I really like this blanket. It's cozy.
Someone got it.
I like it. And then she came downstairs with Z.
John was here first.
Yeah.
Okay, you're recording?
Nice to meet you, Auntie Sally.
You might open it. Unless you heard me. Riley's
Oh, Riley's here.
Hi, Allie and Stevie are here. Oh, hi. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi, it's Vita.
How was your visit?
It was good.
How was Luca?
He's great.
It was super good.
You know who else is great? Remind me of the reaction.
Hold her.
She's gonna be okay, right?
a golden doodle.
The golden doodle. No shedding.
Hey, Riley's fine.
Riley's being okay.
Just don't let her down because we don't want Riley
Mom,
to
lean her
get...
against you. Lean her against you.
Make sure Riley doesn't jump up.
Is she so cute?
Riley, come.
Mom, get the bottom. Oh, sorry.
You
Hold
got
the
her?
bottom, yeah.
Wait,
maybe
maybe
let Riley like sniff around.
Maybe let Riley sniff
Riley,
around,
come here.
but don't let Riley touch her, so that Riley's used to her.
Z was like
You
so...
met her already.
They were dying for her today. We bought her in early November, so we've had
We've had her for a month. We picked
And
her
we're
up.
surprised everyone.
She's 8 weeks.
So it was like kind of weird.
When she's a golden doodle, also her
She's
name's
literally
Dixie.
so like she's such a good girl. She's been like so good all day.
You just picked her up today?
We picked up this
And
afternoon.
we came here
We
and
came here earlier.
we She's
Yeah,
8 weeks.
yeah,
And we
absolutely.
surprised John outside, and then we came inside, and
Riley?
Jessica was walking down the stairs,
Riley, come
and
here.
I was right where you are, and
Riley,
she goes,
come here.
Right.
Wait.
Don't touch her.
that's not real. That's not real. I was like, it's real. She's like, you got a dog?
Babe, she's looking.
Yeah.
See, this is the kind of dog I want.
I know, so we knew.
I told,
We
or
can
like,
s-
my mom.
Oh, right in front of Riley?
A white, fluffy, golden
Poor
doodle.
thing.
I don't think they want. I don't think they want.
Is she a mini or a?
No, she'll be
She's
full.
gonna be full. She'll be like Riley's size.
That's the cutest video.
That's a surprise Grandma and Grandpa. Grandma. We'll stay like right here. Hi, how are you guys? Missed you guys. You can't see her, I know. We can FaceTime you later and you can see her up closer. She's a golden doodle.
She's crying!
Her name's Dixie Marie.
Dixie Marie.
Yeah. Wait, close the door. I don't want Mandy to see her.
Hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Did you surprise her?
No.
I wanted to, but
We
so-
actually bought her.
we got her a month ago.
You've had her.
No,
we just picked her up today, but we
so
bought
you
her.
she had to stay with the mom for 8 weeks.
Oh, yeah.
So
Well-
she's 8 weeks old right now.
She's 8 weeks old. She's been such a good girl.
She's such a good girl.
She doesn't shed.
Danny knew.
Hey. Oh, Danny knew?
Huh?
Yeah. Hi,
Yeah, we told her. How are you feeling?
Yeah, that doodles don't
Look at your niece.
She doesn't shed at all.
Look.
Huh?
Don't let her
Oh
go.
my god.
Dixie, she's been such a good girl today. She doesn't
We
cry.
went and surprised everyone. You guys are our last stop. We wanted the best for last.
We took her to
Yeah.
took her to Chelsea's, took her to Nana's, Keeks and Meals, took her to Jason Dawson's, Jason Amanda's.
Nana's at like 3.
I'm gonna walk inside right now.
Well, just back up a little
Oh my god.
You're okay. Hi, Dan.
Dan.
You love her?
I know.
I do. I want to hold her.
I know.
Hi. She's pretty mellow, huh?
She's super
She's
mellow.
No, she was running around and playing with us at Chelsea's house in the backyard. She was running all over the place. And now she's tired. She's had such a long day.
She's had such a long day, poor girl.
We have her crate at home all set
Is
up.
she sleeping in your bed already? Don't let her.
No, we haven't brought
This
her
is
home.
we got her today.
Oh, you just got her today.
We picked. She hasn't even been home yet
She
at all.
hasn't even been to our house yet. So we literally went and picked her up in Fontana.
Oh, big yawn.
And we went to Fontana, and then we drove straight to Chelsea's house, and then we went to Nana's and Leal's and Keeks. Hi, sis.
Hello, what's up?
Yeah, I just wanted to talk to you for a second because I wanted to introduce you to your niece.
What? What the heck?
She's a golden doodle.
Wait, what?
Her
When?
Her name's Dixie.
Today, her name's Dixie.
Actually,
Wait, was this in the works for a while?
yeah. So
This has been in the works for like a month, sister.
we bought her a month ago, but we couldn't pick her up till today.
Oh, shoot.
Wait, why didn't anyone tell me?
We
surprised
didn't tell
everybody.
anyone.
Oh.
We went by everyone's
my
house.
God, I didn't even know you could have dogs there.
We can't.
We went through everybody's house today. Went by everybody's house and surprised
Oh
them.
my God, wait, can you do the same thing but for Jeremy and her mom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna freak out. Oh my God, okay. Okay, how do I play this?
I wanted to tell you something.
Okay.
She's gonna think it's a pregnancy announcement.
She's gonna think you have COVID.
No, she didn't think I'm pregnant.
Okay, come here, Jeremy.
Hey, baby.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Alex, Stevie want to tell you something. Wait, I want to see Ellie's hair. Turn brown.
Dixie's first meal. Dixie's first dinner at home. It's your first dinner at home. Is that good? Is that good? Does she like her dinners? We got her crate. She just peed on the floor, but that's to be expected because she drank a lot today and we were waiting for her to pee. Earlier.
Wait. Oh, you're talking.
This
You're
is
having to
her,
see me something
her
else. What are
bed.
you talking about?
Her bed right here, like her little mat's going on. There's a tree. It's to block her from going in the hallway.
Can you shut the blinds?
Good job, Dix.
We do that again.
Purmo. If I were the king of the forest.
Dixie. Dixie. What? What are you doing? What's she doing? Where you going?
Hey.
She's hungry again. This girl never stops eating.
You did like our mommy.
No wonder she cooked like 5 pounds out of her little butt just now. She loves it under there. You're not gonna be able to fit under there for long. Hey, psst. Psst. Like she's looking.
What's Daddy doing? Which one should? Aww.
Look at you exploring. Where are you going? You're going underneath everything. You're not gonna be able to fit under anything after
A little bit.
She's gonna be too big to go underneath stuff. She's gonna be too big. Oh, bless you.
Hi, Dixie. Hi, Dixie.
We love her. We love our babies.
What
We love our little
about-
baby girl.
Oh, I wonder if the burger place right here is open.
Burger place. Burger King? That
Oh.
was open.
No, Burger Lounge.
I doubt it. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, see her head. You okay?
Little bounces.
Dixie, Dixie. Ready?
Oh, she's.
Dixie. Dixie. Hey, baby. Hey.
Hi, baby
Hey.
girl.
Hey. Hey.
Go, mommy. Go, mommy. Go, mommies.
That was the cutest reaction. Oh. She likes her dad.
What are you doing?
What else sounds good, babe?